Hey there, welcome back to MTH Health. Today we're diving into a question that's on everyone's mind after a Brazilian wax. How do you keep that smooth, flawless skin lasting as long as possible? Stick around for expert tips and tricks that are simple, effective, and easy to follow. Let's get started. First things first, exfoliation. About 2 to 3 days after your wax, gently exfoliate the area to prevent ingrown hairs. Use a mild exfoliator with natural ingredients like sugar or oatmeal to avoid irritation. Remember, the key is gentle, no scrubbing too hard. Next, hydration is your best friend. Keep your skin moisturized daily with an unscented, lightweight lotion or oil. Look for products with ingredients like aloe vera, jojoba oil, or shea butter. These will help keep your skin soft and prevent dryness. What about clothing choices? Avoid tight-fitting clothes, especially in the first few days post-wax. Opt for loose, breathable fabrics like cotton to reduce friction and allow your skin to recover. Here's a step many people forget: sun protection. If you're planning to hit the beach or wear shorts, don't skip sunscreen. Waxed skin can be more sensitive to UV rays, so a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher is a must. Protect your glow. Let's talk about ingrown hairs. If you notice those pesky bumps forming, resist the urge to pick. Instead, apply a soothing serum designed to target ingrown hairs. Products with salicylic acid or tea tree oil are great options. Consistency is key. Finally, keep up with your waxing schedule. Regular waxing weakens the hair follicles over time, making regrowth finer and sparser. Aim to book your next appointment every 4 to 6 weeks for the best results. Your next appointment equals your next glow-up. And there you have it. With these simple tips, you can keep your skin smooth and glowing between Brazilian waxes. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to MTH Health, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more skin and health tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.